So what's up, guys? So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys, if you're interested in learning how to program smart contracts with the Ethereum network here. Check this out. They got I got the link down below is for this site right here, Ethereum GitHub browser Solidity, and they have Solidity, which is the programming language you're going to be writing smart contracts in that run on the Ethereum blockchain, at least. And you could do it all right in a browser, and it not only write the contracts, but it's got right over here on the right side, right? It's got support with the chat room here. People ask questions, you could ask questions. It's got a debugger. It's got analysis, settings, run it, compile it. It's amazing. So yeah, you could go get code if you follow some of these links, like or just Google GitHub, and you could get some code for to start off with here, get some open source code. But anyways, so this is awesome. So this is the goal. You want to be able to get in here and make use of this. So if that's like a little bit too daunting to jump in at first, I found this other thing, Crypto Zombies, which has got the same kind of interface here, right? Check it out. But it's got step-by-step guide how to make this smart contract, and the smart contract that they're showing you how to make is Crypto Zombies. And the Crypto Zombies smart contract is like a tutorial of how to build a smart contract and interact with another smart contract. This is actually copied off of CryptoKitties and what steps up, and they interact with the CryptoKitty contract. So I mean, they give you an overview, and this is cryptozombies.io if you guys want to do this. And you could build your own zombies. You guys could do actions like on other, they turn into a game. So I didn't get all the way through it, but I did the first and second chapter, or all the chapters in this one, and then I did the next one. But honestly, I did a lot of these hints and give me the answer. They give you the options. If you can't get it, they'll give you the answer. So I'm just gonna go back through because I'm still getting used to just the terminology and just how this works. So you just gotta get a, if you could think how this program wants you to think, or you know your outlines. Then when you're coming up with your idea for your token, you like how to shape it, or you can at least try to go through a logical way of getting your idea as close to what you want. So yeah, so it comes right in here, and it will tell you, like here, it's telling you that you're dealing with a contract. So you're always going to start with Progma, Solidity, and then the version of Solidity. Okay, so they tell you that, and then they show you an example, and then they'll tell you go ahead, do it, and they give you like a little outline of what they want you to do. And the first one, they just want you to do that, put the version in, which you gotta put a little up arrow, and then what's the version 0.4.19, and then come down and you're making a contract, so just contract, and then you name your contract. Oh yeah, zombie factory. So yeah, I mean, see how the contract turned blue, and you'll notice it. Everything seems to like make a lot of sense. Like if the code's right, it looks right. So now so I put zombie factory, and then we gotta put empty body, right? So you put these little curlies, and then enter. You gotta check that. And then come down here, check answer. Oh, you got it wrong. Oh, you gotta put the little curly thing. Okay. See, I got it right. Now it gives you a little reward. The zombie runs by, and you learn something. Hopefully. State variables and integers. So I mean, this is right here. It's very unsigned integer. So this is what they use for short, UINT. And this actually drives me crazy because I always put ITN, or for some reason I just always, and then that's, but look at the having type, INT data type for assigned integers. So this is unsigned integers. So same thing, it gives the example. So contract. So state variables means you can change the state, right? So are permanently stored in contract storage. This means they're written to Ethereum blockchain. Think of them like writing to a database. So contract example, this will be stored permanently in the blockchain. Unsigned integer. My unsigned integer equals 100. In this example, contract, we created an unsigned integer called my unsigned integer and set it to equal 100. Unsigned integers. The unit data type is an unsigned integer, meaning its value must be non-negative. There's also an integer data type for signed integers. Notice in Solidity, unsigned integers is action alias for unsigned integers 256-bit, 250-bit, 6-bit unsigned integer. You can declare units with less bits, 8, 16, 32, etc. But in general, you want to simply use UINT, except in specific cases. So now he tells you all that, and he says, so a nice easy question. Put it to the test. Our zombie DNA is to be determined by a 16-digit number. We declare a unsigned integer DNA digits and set it to equal 16. So I don't know if you're familiar with CryptoKitty. Turn this down. Familiar with CryptoKitty, they have like these genes in there, so they're going like that. They're trying to make a DNA for the zombies, and it's going to be 16 digits long, their DNA. So see over here, they tell you right exactly where to put the code in. So we're going to declare unsigned integer. See, I did it again. I do it every time. I put the N first for some reason. Is the U even near the end? I don't know why I do that. And name it DNA digits and set it to equal 16. Oh. Oh, and then you gotta end it with your little curly bracket thing. So let's try that. Check answer. Oh, got it on the first try. So yeah, see, don't worry, it gets hard. Math and solidity is pretty straightforward. The following operations are the same as in most programming languages. X plus Y is addition, minus subtraction, multiplication, star, division, slash, modulus, remainder is percentage. For example, 3. It gives you an example, tells you what that is. Solidity also supports an exponential operator, x to the power of y, x to the power of y. So put it to the test. To make your zombies DNA to make sure your zombies DNA is only 16 characters, let's make another unsigned integer equal to 10 to the power of 16. That way later we can use the modulus operator to shorten an integer to 16 digits. Create a unsigned integer named DNA modulus and set it to equal 10 to the power of DNA digits. See, okay. So they tell you right where to start. So now we go unit, unit DNA mod. But yeah, guys, go make your own and send me a message when you get it done. See who can finish first. DNA modulus. Set it to equal 10 to the power of DNA digits. So you gotta make it equal 10 to the power. Okay, so you got that. Now you go here and check answer. Wrong. Right, so I feel like obviously I think this was really 16. I didn't put my end things. It's like, I'm not sure if it's 16 or actually writing the digits. So try again. So now if you can't get it, you just go ahead. Show me the answer. X this out. Sometimes if the square down here, see this little X, if the square down the bottom isn't showing on, X that out. Give you the unit DNA modulus DNA digits. Unit DNA modulus equals 10. Oh, see, yeah, in here, I thought they said you could use that though. So you do. See, it tells you exactly where. So now, DNA. Oh, see, you gotta have the capitalization. I must have another problem. So it's about, I got this, that. I gotta go down a space, right? Oh, no, I did the same thing I always do. I was telling you. I put the end verse. This thing is holding me up, man. I swear to God, I'm almost trying to like rename this. Um, Damn. But yeah, see, that's what I'm going through. It's killing me. So yeah, I just want to show you guys this. I'm not being very entertaining, but this is wicked cool. So I'm dying to get to the end. I'll show you where I am. Look at resume progress. So proceed to the next lesson. You guys see, I got these first two almost done. And yeah, it's getting interesting now. There's some cool. I don't want to even spoil for you. That's how cool it is. But yeah, see. So yeah, I would say work on this, and then maybe um, you know, go on to the Ethereum site there and get in with the community right there. They have ways to share this too, share the game and everything. So but yeah, check it out.